Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can apply the doll filter to your videos in CapCut. So by applying this filter or effect, you can turn yourself into a doll or a Barbie. So first, just add a video or photos like this to CapCut. Then go to the effect, click on the body effect, and then find the roll category. So just swipe and click on the roll category and you'll see doll filter effect. So just click on that and wait for it to apply to your clips or image. Okay, just click on a check icon and you are done. And now you'll just turn yourself into a Barbie. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. Bye.